Stock trading. One stock jumped over 14% in one day. It could continue to go up. After watching this video, you're gonna know one secret most traders don't know. Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Today my portfolio jumped over 4%, over 6,000 in one day. That's because I hold high quality stocks and also so many call options and invest options. So even though S&P 500 jumped over 0.83% just one day, Nasdaq jumped only 0.98%, Dow Jones only 0.77%, and my portfolio jumped over 4.19%. And there's one stock that jumped over 10% in one day, just one day. So day trading momentum stock, you need to know how to choose momentum stock that could jump over a lot, over 5%, 10%, 15%, 20% in one day. And those stocks are usually not the best high quality stock. They can be penny stock, they can be crappy stocks. So it doesn't really matter. We are only looking at price actions and momentums. And this stock is COE. So I sent out an alert on October 3rd. That was only 39.09 at the time. So my breakout was 41.5 and better breakout 42. What does it mean? It means that if this stock breaks above 41.5 and also 42, there is a very high chance, it could be 80%, over 90% chance that this stock could continue to go up. So just look at this. Only a few hours on September 3rd, 2025, it hit 43.5 hit. 43.5. So whenever by 48% gain in a few hours, and one day on September 4th, it also hit 44.92. So 14.91% in one day since my alert on 39.09 on September 3rd. So I like this chart better. You see, this is going up, up, up. Of course, it wanted to go down a little bit, but this one up. But it already broke above 41.5 breakout point. Remember, 42, much better. So that's why here it went down a little bit, it go up, then it went up. So it tend to go up if momentum starts breaks above my breakout points. So breakout point is usually the resistance. If it breaks above resistance, it could be intraday resistance, or it could be a few days resistance, or a few weeks. So it really depends. So of course, if it breaks like a few years resistance, so this is very strong breakout point. That's gonna be. So what if you look at this? Remember, I did not look at the S&P 500. We don't need to look at S&P 500 when we want to trade momentum stock. But if we are investing in high quality stock, we need to look at S&P 500. If it better than S&P 500, yeah, it could be one of my 5 criteria of the high quality stocks. And look at this, Nasdaq 91.8%, Dow Jones 5 years 62.16%. So typically only look at S&P 500. As long as one stock beats S&P 500, it could be high quality stock. So this is one first step to stock investing. Stock trading, no, I don't really look at it. And you know what? It could go as long as it has momentum today or in the past few days, past few weeks. This could be my day trading stock. And second criteria for stock investing usually, does it have 10-year history of businesses? No, I don't need to look at it for day trading momentum stock. This stock where could be just started up yesterday. This could just be IPO, or this could just be a penny stock, whatever. I don't care. And do I need to know what business they do? No. Of course, I can guess online education group. So this must be something to do with online education group. One mistake or one secret most traders don't know. What is that? Hey, look at this stock. The past 5 days, 26.83% up. 1 month, 40.61% up. Year to date, 121.1% up. Hey, we could have bought this stock when it was very low. So you know what? If you think that way, you will be wrong. So one secret is this stock, yeah, the past 5 years, it doesn't even be S&P 500. So this is a crappy stock. So if you think, you know what, this stock is already, let's say, $13 stock on September 3rd, 2021. So I'm going to buy this stock because it used to be $100 stock. If you did that, you might be making a big mistake. Like if you bought it in 2021 September, it's $13 stock. Then it dropped to $4. You're gonna lose more than half of your capital, right? Then you're gonna get nervous and you're gonna most likely gonna sell it because it's already a few months, 6 months. Then you bought it. Then you know what? Oh, it's still only $5 stock, $6 stock. It's only $6 stock. You see, oh here until 2024, it stays $6.62 stock. You see, it's already 3 years. 2024, hey, you probably get even. So you're waiting a long time, 3 years, sometimes could be 4 years. Sometimes, and if you are unfortunate, you know what? I would say if because you made a wrong decision. I wouldn't say it's unfortunate because you made the wrong decision. You bought crappy company and it goes bankrupt. It goes bankrupt, then you know what? You're gonna lose all your money, all your money, all your money. So I only trade when I see signs, right? So day trading momentum stock is like having a one night stand. If you approach a girl or a lady in the club and she doesn't want to talk to you, she gets away from you. If you stick around her for like a few hours, you're not gonna get her, right? If you are lucky, you're not gonna get her. If you're unlucky, she's gonna report you to the police, right? So the same way you're gonna lose money in the stock market. You're gonna look for the sign. If the lady look at you and you go approach her and she talks to you happily, smiling, and she touch you and she's around you for like more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes, hey, then you know what? That's a good sign. Hey, probably you can ask her out to your place, or if she comes out to the club with you, that's a very good sign. Or if she suggests you that you know what, let's go to another place, that's 99% sure signs that she's gonna goes back to your place. The same way, if a stock goes up momentum, right? The past 5 days, oh, 26.31%. This is a very good sign. The past 1 month, yeah, very good sign. It breaks about all the breakout point. You see, it breaks all the breakout point. Hey, very good sign. This most likely gonna continue to go up. So how do you know this is continue to go up? Just wait for if it opens positive. Yes, most likely this gonna become positive today. Then you can day trade or maybe you can swing trade, whatever you like. So what do you learn about from this video lesson? What do you love about this video? Comment down below. If you want to learn more, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist. You can learn about stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option, and day trading momentum stock. You can reach out to me in the link, YouTube video description and comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.